Though the word protein usually conjures up images of meat, fruits and vegetables can also be a good source. They are low in saturated fat and higher in dietary fiber than animal sources, and when regularly eaten can lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart diseases, diabetes and certain cancers. Here is a list of a few vegetables that are rich in protein. Soy. Soybeans are the number one source and are a complete protein. Each cup of cooked soybeans offers 29 grams of protein. Soy products such as tofu have less protein, coming up with 11 grams in every 4-ounce serving. Beans. Beans pack a punch of protein, while white beans and lentils contain about 19 grams of protein per cup, providing many essential amino acids such as isoleucine and lysine. Black beans contain 15.2 grams per cup, while kidney, lima, black-eyed, navy and pinto beans contain about 14 grams per cup. Broccoli. Broccoli is another vegetable that contains an abundant amount of protein. Its protein content is 34% of its dry matter, offering 4.6 grams of protein per cup of cooked broccoli. Broccoli also contains vitamins, fiber, and it is a storehouse of minerals. Spinach. Known for its excellent nutrient profile, spinach is also a good source of protein. Cooked spinach contains about 5.3 grams of protein per cup, while frozen or canned, drained spinach contains slightly more than 6 grams per cup.